Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to get a free credit report from Equifax. Getting your credit report is a crucial step for financial health. By law, you are entitled to a free report every 12 months from each of the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. The single, most straightforward way to get your free Equifax report, along with your free reports from the other bureaus, is to use the official, government-authorized website, annualcreditreport.com. To get your report, you have three primary methods through this service. First, the quickest option is to visit annualcreditreport.com online. You can request all three reports at once, or stagger your requests throughout the year. Second, you can call the toll-free number, which is 1-877-322-8228. Your reports will then be processed and mailed to you. Third, you can complete the annual credit report request form and mail it in. When you request your report, be prepared to provide personal information to verify your identity, such as your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. You will also be asked several security questions only you would know. Remember, annualcreditreport.com is the authorized source for your free annual report under federal law. You should use caution with other websites that claim to offer free reports, as they may try to enroll you in paid services. There are also additional ways to get a free Equifax report. For instance, you can create a My Equifax account, which offers several free Equifax credit reports each year. Equifax also provides free reports if you've been denied credit based on your report within the last 60 days, or in certain cases like being a victim of identity theft. Checking your credit report regularly helps you spot errors or signs of identity theft, which is vital for maintaining a healthy financial standing. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.